Hey, it's Zach with Hostetler Roofing. We're out here at the Buhrman-Pharr Apartments in downtown Texarkana. We're excited to get started on this project. We're installing a 50 mil PVC membrane from IB Roof Systems, and we're excited to be part of keeping the historic downtown alive. So let's get up on the roof and check it out. So we're up on the roof now. As you can see, this roof is pretty old. It's got some of these bubbles. They've had leak issues in almost every area of the roof so far. There wasn't really any storm damage. It's mostly just the roof is wore out. Over here there's some bubbles in the roof right here. You can see where the moisture has gotten underneath and caused this to bubble up. And so this roof system has failed really. So over here we're tearing off the old membrane and adding an inch of ISO, and that gets it up to the city code for the R value. And now we'll be installing the 50 mil PVC from IB over the top of this. We've got these rolls up here ready to go. So as we're up here on the roof at Buhrman-Pharr, we get a good perspective of the other roofs in downtown here. Here we have an asphalt roof that it looks like it's getting some age. It had some ponding water there. These roofs typically last around 15 to 20 years. Over there we have a metal roof. Those last pretty good, but you just need to keep the maintenance done on them. Over here we have some different types of asphalt and EPDM roofing. They all last somewhere around the 15 to 20 years mark. This PVC roofing that we're using from IB to 30 years, sometimes even longer. As you can see, we've got a lot of penetrations. We've got this big water tower with the supports, a lot of air conditioner units. It'll be a challenge to work around all this, but we're used to it. We'll get around it all and get everything sealed up. This roof is going to have a 20-year NDL warranty from IB Roof Systems. They stand behind every product they make, and that's why we love using them. So shout out to them for a good product, and shout out to Paul and the whole team here at Buhrman-Pharr for giving us the business, giving us the opportunity to work out here.